Nigga, the message to get what you don't got. The struggle that don't stop.
Yeah, remain solid. Even when my life is driving me crazy, I can't call it. Gotta do this shit for little bro when them in the state college.
What up, Loyalty family? What's the deal, man? You already know how this go, nigga. We got another reaction video. Let's get it. So today, acting my boy Chito Ranas. The song's called "The Letter." Right? I can't think of the word in Spanish, but I actually looked it up. La Letra. That's how you say it, right? The Letter. But comment question today, of course, man. What's your favorite Chito Ranas song? As well as, man, who else do I need to react to? You feel me? Swifty Blue, Chito Ranas. Who else, man? You know what I'm saying? But you already know this go, man. Commercial. But we back, man. Let's get straight into the video. Let's press record. Let's press play. I was about to say, I ain't got no lighter, gang. I ain't catch the first bar. It was too low. That's why. All right.
Herpes in my cell, I'm just trying to make a knife. Look, baby, I'm a thug. They can't live this life. I'm just trying to chip a nigga. I'm just trying to end this life. Not everything is what it seems. Not everything is nice. AR-15s, we aim my helicopters. Really hit that nigga chest. That nigga need a doctor. You was not my enemy. You was not a factor. Niggas shot at me first, but this Glock was way faster. He's a pussy. He won't strike because he got stripes. Nigga, I'm a general in the hood. I got stripes.
Hey, y'all know why I fuck with this nigga, right? Because this nigga really a rebel, right? He where he grew up, you know, where he's from, he really can't, he shouldn't really be, in certain people's eyes, he ain't supposed to be representing what he represent. But this nigga's a rebel, and so every nigga that's from his hood or his that represent what he represent also are rebels, you know what I'm saying? And he talk shit too. I fuck with you though. He came home talking reckless.
That nigga need a doctor. You was not my enemy. You was not a factor. Niggas shot at me first, but this Glock was way faster. He's a pussy. He won't strike because he got stripes. Nigga, I'm a general in the hood. I got stripes. I was in the courtroom. I was fighting for my life. He died inside the ambulance. He was fighting for his life. Habla más de mí, pero a mí me vale verga. Ando bien tumbado, pero siempre estoy alerta. I'm not a smart and joy, and I put that on my jefa. Please don't ask me where I'm from if you see the letra. Huh? Please don't ask me where I'm from if you see the letra. Ando bien tumbado, pero siempre estoy alerta. Sliding benzos back to back. Nigga die tonight. Always keep a pistol. I'm too famous just to fight. Baby, I'm so fast. You should see the way I drive. I'm too loaded off this mud. I ain't tripping if I die. Speaking on my lease code, nigga, that shit suicide.
Okay.
Another part. Please don't ask me where I'm from if you see the letra. Huh? Please don't ask me where I'm from if you see the letra.
Hey.
What
else?
Sliding benzos back to back. Nigga die tonight. Always keep a pistol. I'm too famous just to fight. Baby, I go fast. You should see the way I drive. I'm too loaded off this mud. I ain't tripping if I die. Speaking on my lease code, nigga, that shit suicide. Pop another part. Let me enjoy the ride. He died on the way. It turned to a homicide. I ain't tripping off these niggas. Sooner or later they gon' die. This is the part. Come fuck with me. The bitches give money if you see her fuck with me. My little brother died, and that shit fuck with me. Bitch, I'm shooting first, so please don't fuck with me. They took this nigga's chain, now we left this nigga spook. Baby, this ain't side, little baby, this is spook. If the baby mama see me, then she's gonna choose. You was not my homie, so please don't act like we cool.
Y'all heard what he's saying, bro. And he dissing. This is why this nigga's crazy, gang. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know, if y'all know, my boy his brother name had a Lisco. At least he had a brother named Lisco, or somebody fuck with Lisco, right? He passed away. The nigga it's turned this whole savage up. Like this nigga said, man, I ain't really afraid to die no more. I done lost my boy, lost my brother, bro. Fuck everything, nigga. Y'all niggas gonna have to come get me.
This is the part. Come fuck with me. The bitches give money if you see her fuck with me. My little brother died, and that shit fuck with me. Bitch, I'm shooting first, so please don't fuck with me. They took this nigga's chain, now we left this nigga spook. Baby, this ain't Zion, little baby, this is spook. If a baby mama see me, then she's gonna choose. You was not my homie, so please don't act like we cool. Please don't say you love me, because that's a strong word. Would you catch a body for me? How much is you worth? Would you even cry if he put me in the dirt? When he killed Jacob, I know that shit hurt.
What's up with my nigga, bro? RP to all the fallen soldiers, man. You know, I don't got a side in this motherfucker. Yeah, free Chito though, man. But you already know this go. Of course, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, man. Make sure you share it to your auntie, your granny, and your motherfucking daddy. Get it.
Nigga, the message to get what you don't got. The struggle that don't stop.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Remain solid. Even when my life is driving me crazy, I can't call it. Gotta do this shit for little bro when I'm in the state college.